Understanding Chapter and Verse, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that might seem a bit puzzling at first: chapter and verse. This expression has a rich background and a specific usage that can add a colorful layer to your English conversations. So, let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily English. Chapter and verse refers to the precise details or the exact reference to support what someone is saying. It's often used to ask for or to provide proof or evidence that backs up a claim or a statement. For example, if someone says they can provide chapter and verse on a rule, they mean they can tell you exactly where in the rules or documentation the relevant information can be found. The origin of chapter and verse is quite fascinating. It comes from how people refer to the Bible, citing specific chapters and verses to pinpoint passages. This method of citation was crucial for theological discussions and debates, ensuring accuracy and clarity when referencing scripture. Over time, the phrase transcended its religious origins and became a common way to express the need for specificity and exactness in all kinds of discussions. Incorporating chapter and verse into your everyday English can make your language more vibrant and precise. Here are a few ways to use it. Asking for specifics. When you want someone to provide detailed evidence or explanations, you can say, "Can you give me chapter and verse on that?" Providing evidence. If you have detailed support for your argument, you might say, "I can give you chapter and verse to back up my claim." Highlighting precision. To emphasize the accuracy or detail of your information, you might say, "I know this rule chapter and verse." Understanding and using phrases like chapter and verse can greatly enrich your English speaking and writing. It adds depth to your conversations and allows you to communicate with precision and clarity. We hope this video has helped demystify this phrase for you and that you feel more confident using it. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out in the comments with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Happy learning!